Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 3.8% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The stochastic RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
TSMC, the chip manufacturer that provides silicon to some of the world's largest technology firms, is reportedly set to raise its prices once again after a 20% increase the previous year. More than 250,000 UK households will slide into destitution in 2023 unless more is done to alleviate the crisis, the National Institute for Economic and Social Research projected. The self-titled master of stablecoin, Do Kwon, released a popular digital token, Terra USD, that was supposedly pegged to the dollar. This week, its value slumped below 30 cents.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Irish Consumer Index at 10 hours GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations at 0100 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey current at 0500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.